So guys, so how to create in a group in a Linux, how to create in a user 1 and user 2, and add in a group in user 1 and user 2. So now start in terminal in Linux. Login in super user, password. Now create in a group. Group name is a railway. Now check this group. So railway name is create in group. UID GID number is 1001. So create in a user. Here reading. First name is Sonu. 1 is the username. Second user is create. Mono 2. Check this user. Now user 1 is Sonu and user 2 is Mono. And now group is railway. So check this group. Now railway is a group and Sonu 1 and Mono 2 is a user. Now add in a group first. Now add in group. User mode -G. First group name railway. Second name is user in add 1. Now add railway group and add is user 1 Sonu and second now add Mono 2. Check this group in railway. Now railway group in add in user Sonu 1 and Mono 2 in a user. Thank you.